Summer days, I still remember your name. Summer days, sweet fragrance still smells the same. The better days, just from this, even though I. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a May favorites. I have not done a favorites video in like a year. I want to say it's been a year. This look was filmed. It should be the video up already, so I'll go ahead and link it at the top. So yeah, we're going to get into some favorites. A little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup, of course, and then I have some other products. So if you want to see the products that I love for the month of May 2020, go ahead and just keep on watching. I don't even know where I want to start. Maybe I'll start with skincare. So it should be no surprise. The Urban Skin RX cleansers have been a favorite of mine for the month of May. I will link at the top the skincare video I did. So go ahead and check it out. I will link up top and down below in the description box. I've been loving these. These have really been clearing up my skin. I normally go in with the combination skin one, and this is for anti-aging, smoothing, and hydrating. The older I'm getting, I've said this a million times, my skin is getting a little dried out. So I'm really careful with what I put on my skin. So this gets my skin clean without drying it out. And then when I'm having a breakout, like I had a breakout a couple days ago, I use mostly the Clear Skin Cleansing Bar, and this is controls oils and blemishes and deep cleans pores, and this really does clear my skin. I had a breakout, like a little cluster of pimples right here on my cheek, and I want to say this cleared it up in about 2 days. So I've been loving these a lot. They are a staple in my bathroom and my skincare like little arsenal. These you can find at Target, and I do believe they have like their own website. I don't know if they have a store or not, but I will link these down below. But these have, I even got my sister onto using them. They're so good and they're so gentle on the skin, but gets it like squeaky clean. So I've been loving these for the month of May. The next favorite is going to be a hair conditioner, and this is the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and Mafora oil intensive hydration conditioner with fig extract and baobab oil. I might have butchered all those names, but this is a favorite, and I'm gonna tell you why. So underneath my wigs, a couple months ago, I did lack of taking care of my hair, and it kind of showed. So I have very itchy, dry. The moment my scalp gets dry, which is very frequent, I have extremely itchy scalp, and my hair itself just did not feel nourished. I bought this from Dollar General. Okay, it was wash day for me. And I was like, I'm just gonna go out and buy a conditioner that can help with my hair that's feeling nourished. When I tell you, I went ahead and I used this to condition my hair, and my natural curls just popped. Like I've never seen them do that before. And then my hair just felt bouncy and nourished and soft. It just really intensely hydrated my hair, and I wasn't expecting that. I don't really dabble into Shea Moisture like I used to, but I knew I had never used this one before, and it's sulfate free. My hair feels so good, like even underneath my wigs. Like underneath here I have a wig cap, and I just have my hair in some 2-strand twists, and my hair just feels so good. I don't know, and it smells so good. I don't know why I've never tried this one. I don't know if it's new. I don't know what it is, but this conditioner did so much, and it was noticeable. It was almost instantly noticeable, because after I shampooed my hair and I did a protein treatment, and then I let this sit on my hair for about 30 minutes, and I rinsed it out, and my hair was just like bouncy and fluffy, and my curls were just everywhere. And it's like, it is really, I see a change in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep using it, but this is a favorite of mine because I've never seen my hair feel the way it feels in a long time. My curls never popped out the way that my curls are like everywhere. So I believe this is what caused it, because it's the only thing new that I use. The shampoo I use, the same shampoo that I use is the Shea Moisture shampoo that I've used in the past. It's the castor oil one, but I've never used this conditioner before, so it has to be this.
this got my hair together. This is definitely a favorite for me for the month of May. Okay, the next product is another hair favorite. Girl, this is, and I got this off Amazon for like 10 bucks. This is a wig grip. So it's a little nasty because there's like makeup on it from my wig cap. I love this thing. So basically, I got it off Amazon. And this is what it looks like. So it's a little nasty. I need to wash it. But y'all, so I put this on underneath my wig and didn't even use no got2b glue, and it held my wig in place. And I really wanted to test that out. So the wig I have on has no glue on it. I haven't put any glue on it. I just threw it on because I'm about to do my hair today anyway. And I really just want to kind of fold back off the got2b a little bit because I had some discoloration along my hairline, and that did not work for me. So I forgot what YouTuber I saw had this on. I think it was Savannah Silver. I think she had it on. So I was just like, dang, maybe I should try a wig grip. And then I saw an ad like on Instagram or something. I don't even know. But I bought this off Amazon. I will link it below. I love this thing. So I sleep in my wig sometimes. In my wig, no glue with just this on. This holds the wig in place. So I just put it on my head like around here. Like not down here, but like across the top, probably like that. And I get it like at the tightness that I can handle it on, which is not, it doesn't have to be too tight. And it tells you to put it on with the logo on the side or something like that. But I did that and my wig did not move. This has great hold. So if you want to kind of like lay off the got2b or the Ghost Bond or whatever everybody's using to hold their lace down, I would definitely go ahead and give this a shot. It definitely did work for me. This is a favorite. I don't know. This, girl. Okay, the last non-makeup favorite is gonna be my Body Fortress protein powder. I've been loving this for the entire month of May. I think I purchased it at the beginning of the month. I've been loving this for my protein shakes. As you guys saw in my weight loss video, I will go ahead and link at the top. I've been drinking this for after my workouts. I've been really pushing myself lately to get as in shape as I can. I'm already down 2 more pounds for the week, which I'm really happy about. It tastes so good. I got it from Walmart for about $16.99. It's a huge jar. I don't use a full cup of protein powder. I only use half. And I'll just do like a smoothie with this. Banana, strawberry, sugar-free, or like 50% less sugar, almond milk, and I'll do like a teaspoon of honey depending on what I have on hand. But I just really love this protein powder. Builds lean muscles and strength, boosts post-workout recovery, and no gluten. It's just, and it has 16 grams of protein. So I really have been loving this protein powder. Now we're gonna get into the makeup. The first is a glitter. It's the J-Cat little glitters. So I discovered J-Cat beauty glitters years ago. I had came across the Instagram and the glitters online were like $1.99. So I already had some, but I haven't used them in a couple of years. So when I first got back on YouTube, I'll link the video at the top. I use this glitter. I got this from my local beauty supply store for $1.99. These are so good. You get a lot of pigment in here. So now I have a bunch of them. But this is the robotic purple. It's so pretty. And literally for $1.99 for a pigment, you kind of can't beat that. I just use my regular Too Faced glitter glue to adhere it to my eyelids, and they stay on for a long time. They're really pretty. This has been a favorite of mine as well. The next favorite is the ABH eye primer. I don't know why I bought a mini online, but now that the Sephora store is opened back up in Lenox, when Lenox Mall reopens, I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one. It's so pigmented, and I think the reason why I really like it is because it's not as thick as like the MAC paint pots. They're not that thick, but it makes any eyeshadow you put on top completely pop. I've been reaching for this a lot because normally I've been using my Fenty eyeshadow primer, and that is like, it's not as pigmented, it's not as opaque as the ABH one, but it does make the shadows you play on top just pop. But this is like, this is extremely opaque. I love it. I've used it for neutral looks, colorful looks. I'm gonna probably be using this a lot more often. I like it a lot, and I didn't think I would like it as much as I did, but this is like one of the best eyeshadow primers I've ever tried, and I've been enjoying it. I have it on my eyelids today as a base. First of all, I love this eye look. Like, I'm literally gagging, but it's just, it's extremely opaque. It's not as thick, and it blends over the eye just smooth across. No lumps, no bumps, no clumps. Just like, it's just amazing. This is like top of the line eyeshadow primer for like not that much of a price. So I absolutely love it. The next favorites are the e.l.f. products that I did on my drugstore video. These have been, e.l.f. did their thing. So first is the foundation. First of all, I want to go try a lighter shade. I like a one shade lighter than this. I'm going to look online and see what that shade would be, because this is in the shade Mocha, right? Yeah, Mocha. This has like a red undertone and more of a neutral undertone, so I feel like it, I don't have it on today, but I feel like it would suit me a little bit better if I went like literally about one shade lighter. I love the coverage. It's like a medium, light to medium coverage. You can build it up a little bit. It's not high coverage at all. However, I like the flawless, lightweight finish that it gives. If you have oily skin, I recommend using like a matte primer underneath, because it doesn't really control oils that much. It's more for like, it's really a perfect everyday foundation. Or for my girls or guys out there who don't like to do too much but want to just look flawless, this is the perfect foundation. And for $6. Now, the concealer. I'm literally going to Target right now to go get another one. I'm going to use it up. I do have it on as my under eye concealer today. Literally, this is one of the best concealers I've tried in a long time. And to see that it came from e.l.f., I'm floored. This is one of the best concealers that I've tried in a long time. And I know they recently came out with the hydrate, because this is the 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. I know they recently came out with the hydrating one. I'm just gonna take this one because it does well for me. But do you see my under eye? $6. This is one of the best concealers I've ever tried in my entire life. Like, this is up there with like my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is like one of my favorite concealers of all time, because it's super full coverage. But like, this is one of the best concealers I've ever tried, and it's all $6 down at the Target. It's so good, and I really want you guys, if you have not already, I know everybody's using it right now, but if you have not tried this concealer, I really recommend that you do, because it's literally, the coverage is phenomenal. It blends beautifully. Today I blended it out with a dry beauty blender. Like, it wasn't even damp. And like, look at my skin. Like, it's amazing. So that is all the favorites that I have for the month of May. I really hope you guys found some gems in here. So I will link everything down below in the description box. Don't forget to also follow me on my social media down there. And give me any video requests you guys may have. I still have 2 more eyeshadow palettes here that I need to review, so those will be coming up. And I think I'm gonna do like an eyeshadow haul. I gotta do like a shoe video. I have a lot of videos planned, but I want to know what you guys want to see. I know I've been asked a few times to do an apartment tour. What's holding me up is this room. I need to get a few things done for this room, and I keep rearranging it. Like, this was over here and that was over here. It's just, I'm just trying to get this room together, and then I'll do an apartment tour for you guys probably at the end of this month. But let me know what videos you guys want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the favorites video, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.